My name is Anthony and this is CryptoFew. Today I'm going to be talking about what's actually in store for Bitcoin. I'm going to be talking about what all the indicators say on the chart. And also I'm going to be talking about what I missed to say on the S&P 500 yesterday. So the RSI, so anything below here is anything in the middle of this line. This line is a good buy. So if it's like right here this time, so if you have bought Bitcoin somewhere in between yesterday and the 2 days ago, 30th and the 29th, that would be a good buy. But so, and anything below in the middle of this fat line and this little tiny line would be a good buy. I mean, a great buy. That's the 40 level to 30 level, and anything below the 30 level that just keeps on going is an incredible buy. So it would be super good to buy here, as you guys can see. RSI is pretty helpful in figuring out when you should buy. So you guys can see I got a couple of so when you guys were here, I got lots of lots of whenever the red is underneath the blue, that means we're gonna be going up. Whenever the blue is underneath the red, it means we're falling. That's what happened here. So you guys, it changed and we started going up. So, and finally, let me show you the RSI. So the RSI, it was super buy right here, and it's still saying for us to buy. Like you guys can see, it stopped telling us to buy right here, and we crashed. And then it started to say, it's like, oh, like, good, buy me. It's a great buy. Great buy. You should buy it when it's great buy. So, let me show you guys what it is talking about. So, right now, it is saying, like, right now it's a little bit above it. So, I don't think we should buy right now. And right now, the stochastic RSI is, wow. Super warning signal right here, 100. That means like 100 levels. So like the 100 is like this line right here. So it like barely almost scraped the 100. So we're actually going up. So if we go to like, we're already, it's already saying that soon we're gonna start crashing. So this, as you guys can see here, the MACD is kind of like the stochastic RSI. It has two lines, only the only thing, the difference is the histogram. So, but it's like smoother and stuff. So, last thing I want to show you guys is if we go to the monthly chart, that's the weekly chart. If we go to the monthly chart, I figured out another bear flag that we got. So we crashed, and the same thing happened. We picked up bear flag. So remember when we crashed here, we picked up a bear flag, and we broke below it, and we picked up another bear flag. And bear flags, guess what bear flags mean? Well, we're gonna fly. We're gonna fall. So like for now, things are saying that we're gonna fall. We got rejected by this support and resistance. So by my calculations are correct, Bitcoin will be actually testing this support tomorrow. So Bitcoin will be so Bitcoin right now broke below it. So if we go to even more detail, there you go. So Bitcoin is like trying to break above it, so it just like broke below it and then broke above it, and like so broke below it 5 o'clock somewhere, like 4:45, broke above, trying to break above it as we speak right now. So 3:45 and going up 5. So this is a really major support, because if we go close, and let me show you guys, let's just quickly count this. 1 counts, 2, 3, 4 touch, 5 touch, let's see, 6 touch, and let's see, where else? Come on, guys, come on. Okay, I think 6 times it touched it already, and that is really bad because so there's resistance. That means we did break below it, because the more we touch it, the less, like, the weaker it gets. So the more we tap it, the less weaker it gets. So we break it, we go through the wall, and it just closes it on itself. And now we're trying to go back, and we can't. And now we're starting to break it again.
So tomorrow we're gonna have to be seeing. We're gonna be seeing this. Will Bitcoin will continue to be going underneath this support, or it'll pick up support right here on the bear flag, or will it just crash right here? I think
the most like reasonable option that I would pick is Bitcoin catches the bear flag, but when it's gonna meet its tension line, it's gonna have to pick whether it's gonna go up and down, and I think so it's gonna break above, and it's gonna hold, and then it's gonna go up here, but then when it comes to here, it's just gonna crash, and it's gonna go to like the support level on the 6,300 or the 6,000 level again. Probably might go there. That's option number one. Then there's option number two. So let me show you guys the update. What happened? You probably saw it right now. So we actually are going down. So let me show you guys with the data that I just got. We might be actually doing this. So we might come down to the support at 6,400, bounce above, hold this, then pick up the bear flag and then go above it, pick up, then go above this line, or maybe we're gonna break below the bear flag, it's gonna crash. That might be what's happening.
So the most obvious case would be Bitcoin be testing this lots of times. It'll be testing it, testing, breaks below, testing, and then it'll be like keep testing, but then it'll catch the bear flag,
and then we're gonna have to. Then I'm gonna be watching this area right there, because this area right here, inside this yellow circle, that is a really like I told you always, like that one and those are all tension points that Bitcoin will have to make its choice. So if Bitcoin goes above the support, it'll just like extend its choice. So but it will eventually have to test it. So if Bitcoin does break below it, I will expect it to go to the 6,400 level, and if it breaks below that 6,000, it will go to the 6,000. So 6,437 level, and if it breaks below that, it will go to the 6,400 level. This is what it looks like from the monthly chart. Those are little circles that I just drew, tension points. It looks weird from this distance, but like if we go, so it just updated. Since it just updated, this is good. Let me show you I'm not gonna look at the RSI from here, but if we look at the stock RSI, the stock RSI is actually falling right now. Like I was telling you how it was going, but now it's falling. So doesn't that mean Bitcoin soon gonna crash? So Bitcoin will soon gonna crash. That's what I think is gonna happen. Bitcoin will not break above the resistance. It won't. It will. You have to wait till this tension point that is tomorrow. So we're gonna be waiting till tomorrow. Okay guys, so I think that's it. If you like the video, go down in the comments and ask me what you want me to do in the next video. Do you want me to talk about Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Google, Yahoo, Nike, or other stocks? Or do you want me to talk about the other indicators? So slap that like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!